How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the MoTechSales YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to get a job in tech for beginners. So these are just 5 easy steps that are going to help you land a tech job, entry-level tech job that's highly in demand, that's very high paying. You know I got you. So if you're new to this channel, and you like content like this, just to give you an idea of what I talk about how to get a entry-level tech job. I go over how to get into tech sales because that's what I have my job in, as well as how to optimize your LinkedIn and what to do in order to stand out and get hired. I also go over some skills that you need to know in order to get a tech job and break into the tech industry. So if you like content like that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. And leave a like, and I would love to hear your comments, your thoughts, and your opinions, so you can leave that below. And if you're somebody you just want to cut to the chase, you want to know exactly what I did in order to get a tech job, let me show you. I actually got a course. I invested in my knowledge simply because prior to having my tech job, I didn't have any experience in tech. And so I came across Course Careers. Course Careers is an all-in-one training platform that will teach you everything that you need to know in order to get a tech entry-level job. So all these jobs are very high paying and they're very much so in demand. One thing that I really liked about Course Careers is not only is the curriculum very good, but the community. The community is awesome. They have coaches that will help you level up. They have a group coaching as well as a one-on-one coaching with people that are already in the industry that you're wanting to get into, and they're going to help you level up. They're going to give you advice. They're going to mentor you. So all that is with Course Careers. So if you're interested in it, be sure to click the link down below in the description. That will take you to Course Careers. Now, with all of these tech positions out there, they have a introduction course that you can take in order to know more about these entry-level tech jobs, how to get into it, and why you should. I personally recommend getting certified. Getting certified is so crucial in today's time because you have to remember that you're competing against all these other candidates that may not be beginners. They may be, advanced. They may have some experience underneath their belt. So in order to stand out amongst the crowd and get your foot in the door, I highly recommend getting certified, investing in yourself, investing in your education, and you will get that return on investment tenfold. I did, and I'm very glad I did. And now I'm sitting here helping you out and making this video for you because this is honestly how I was able to get an entry-level tech job as a beginner. So let's get into this video. Now, before I get started, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Maury. I've been in tech now for about 5 months, and I was able to get into tech from taking Course Careers as well as applying what I was taught and just using it in my day-to-day activities. So once I found out this information, I made it my mission to share it with other people and help other people get into tech. So I'm inspired and I want to help you out. Now, the first step that you need to do is develop your technical skills. So the best way that I found out to do this is actually taking a course. So if you're somebody you want to get maybe into tech sales or data analytics, well, welcome to the internet age. There's so many different courses out there, but you want to develop your technical skills. Most of this is done by getting educated and starting to apply those skills. So that way, by the time you apply for these jobs, you have a good portfolio of just projects and maybe internships where you've acquired those skills in order to get that job. But essentially, you want to do something every single day to develop your technical skills. Second thing is you want to seek a mentor, somebody that's already where you want to be, somebody that can help you out, somebody that can give you their advice, their wisdom, and essentially help you get leveled up. All right. Now, again, Course Careers, they do have mentorship out there. You can pick what coach you want. If you sign up with the link down below, I'll be glad to help you out and be your accountability mentor coach, checking in on you, making sure that you're doing okay and that you're still taking the course and getting yourself certified so that way you can land your dream job with the dream company you want to work for. Next, you want to build your professional network. Now, a good way of doing that, especially in the digital age, is getting on LinkedIn, making your LinkedIn profile, optimizing it, adding your certifications and your licenses in order to stand out, and most importantly, building your connections. I personally recommend having at least 500 connections because what this will do is when recruiters are on LinkedIn and they're looking for candidates and, future employees that can fill out these roles, one of the things that's going to help you with your credibility is having that over 500 connections, because that's going to help you get recognized by recruiters, and they're going to go on your LinkedIn and your your LinkedIn profile is going to look very good, and they're going to want to reach out to you. So I've made plenty of videos on how to optimize your LinkedIn. I'll leave a link in the cards above, but it's pretty simple. You want to make sure that you have a good headshot photo, professional photo. Make sure that your about you is optimized to the type of position that you want. And you can use ChatGPT, tell it to give you a LinkedIn about you, section that is for the type of job that you want to go for. So if you want a software development, you can tell LinkedIn to create that software development about you. So that way you can copy and paste it. You can tweak it as well, but you can put that in your about you section in your LinkedIn. You also want to make sure, again, that you have those 500 connections, and make sure that you're putting your experience, you fill everything out, put all the skill sets that you have that are transferable into the type of position that you want. So something to keep in mind. Another way that you can build your professional network is going to job fair events, network marketing, or network events, just places where you can professionally connect with people. All right. The next step is you want to pursue a technical certification. Again, I know I mentioned this in the first step, but it's so essential, and I'm going to keep on saying that because you have to remember you're competing against other people. You're not the only one applying for that position. You're not the only one that's trying to work for that top tech company. So in order to make yourself more valuable and more credible, it's so important to get a technical certification, because that's going to let the recruiters and the employers know, number one, you're competent enough to convey the process that it's going to take in order for you to do the job. But not only that, number two, it lets the recruiters and the employers know that you're serious about the role, that you're a self-starter, that you're continuously learning and you're getting yourself educated, and that's going to speak volumes. And last but not least, you want to create a strong, customized resume. So after you get done getting certified, you're going to have something to put on your resume that is going to let the employer and the recruiter know that you've acquired some type of experience. A lot of these certifications will have you do a project and have you do these activities that you can add to your resume, you can add to your website portfolio. Essentially, I will leave a link in the description below to the best resume, in my opinion, that's very recruiter friendly and that will help you land an interview. So again, those are the 5 steps. If you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Leave your thoughts, your comments, and your concerns down below, and I will answer them. With that being said, peace.